Good.
Ribbit! Ribbit! Ribbit!
Right here at table 6,
Ribbit!
and Amanda Sullivan is
Ribbit! Take a push on me.
Yeah, I am.
Ribbit! Look at that liar.
Go to the ocean.
Imagine an air freshener proven to keep
And go ocean.
introducing Glade Express.
No, I'll hold it.
No.
The simple and easy
I'll just see it.
Well, it won't show you unless you're over there.
Yes, I'm going back home. I'm going to back home.
lasting fragrance. And refills last up to 30 days. Glade Express Simple
Daddy.
at C. Johnson, a family company.
Home. Home. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me. One. Baby. Baby.
Oh no! Don't take it from Aliyah. Give it to Aliyah.
Okay, time for your bath. Bye.
Are you still filming? Are you?
You can't look at this way. Like this way.
Yeah.
This way.
Ah, no! You can't videotape me, Mom. You gotta be in front of it. You can't stand here and be on the camera.
You can take a picture. It is right here.
Yeah. You can't see yourself and be on it at the same time.
I can't see. Get your hand over here. No, no. Get your hand. Oh, move. See you. Hey, let me take a picture. I'll just take a picture.
No, don't push the buttons.
I'll take a picture. I'll take a picture.
I can take a picture of you. It's video right now. How about you go drive to the ocean?
Oh, okay. I go back home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That were my sunglasses.
Okay, go get your sunglasses.
I have to go by.
Okay, bye. Trina?
The ocean is dirty.
The ocean is dirty.
Wanna go see?
Oh, okay.
Okay, come on.
No, I'm gonna sit here.
Oh, cold ocean, cold ocean. Yeah.
goodness me, oh my. You got owie?
No, then the fishy.
Oh, the fishy biting you? Bite, 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 bite,
No,
bite,
get
bite,
it
bite.
off.
Oh, off. Okay.
No, don't do that again, fishy.
Mom, don't Texas go towards...
Okay, now.
So reminded me of you and Lacey.
Really?
Not Lacey, Corey. You and Corey when we were there for Christmas one year. And she would run from the bathroom. You guys would run from the bathroom and jump into Grandma's arms. Because you just had a bath.
Oh.
Okay, say goodbye, Mattia.
Bye.
Give a kiss.
Mwah.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.